world of making is changing, transforming from mass production to mass customization. Today, manufacturers must deliver more than just products and create individualized, emotional experiences. So what does it take to be a winner today? Ensuring that your manufacturing is creative to enable new business models for mass customization, is smart to improve speed and agility with real-time data intelligence, provides value to connect value streams throughout the development process, is human to empower collaboration and foster inventiveness. Welcome to Manufacturing in the Age of Experience.